Tired of juggling time tracking and project management separately? Integrating Clockify with Trello is your solution to streamlined workflows and accurate time logging, saving you precious time and boosting productivity. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to link these two powerful tools. First, navigate to your Trello board, then click on the Show menu button located in the upper right corner. In the menu, select Power-Ups. This will take you to the Power-Ups directory. Use the search bar and type Clockify to find the Clockify Time Tracker Power-Up. Click on the Clockify Time Tracker Power-Up, then click the Add Power-Up button to enable it on your Trello board. Now, open any card on your Trello board. You'll see a new Clockify Start Timer button. Click this button to start tracking time directly from your Trello card. Clockify will automatically associate the time entry with the card name and board. Head over to your Clockify account, either through the web app or the desktop app, and you'll see the track time neatly logged, with all the Trello card details already filled in. With this integration, you can easily generate detailed time reports, analyze project progress, and gain valuable insights into your team's efficiency, so you can say goodbye to manual time entries and hello to seamless project management.